OnePlus 6T is the mid-year upgrade to the OnePlus 6. Now this one comes with an improved nightscape mode which will improve the low light performance of the camera. It also has an in-display fingerprint sensor which OnePlus is calling screen unlock and a starting price of Rs 37,999. Now we are pitching it against the Google Pixel 3 XL to see which is the better bet in terms of Android. Now the reason why we've picked the OnePlus 6T versus the Pixel 3 XL despite their obvious price difference is that these are both very hyped phones. Now Pixel 3 XL is supposed to be the best of Google and Android, while OnePlus 6T is seen as a reliable Android flagship. So which is the right pick? The Pixel 3 XL comes with a 6.3-inch QHD display and a rather prominent notch which has angered some. In contrast, the OnePlus 6T comes with a 6.4-inch display and a very elegant water drop notch, which will appeal to a lot of people. Now, in terms of display quality, we would say that the Pixel 3 XL has the edge because A, it has higher resolution and it works much better in bright sunlight. We did feel that the OnePlus 6T was struggling a bit in comparison. Now, both phones are powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 processor. However, Pixel 3 XL is limited to 4GB RAM. With OnePlus 6T, you're getting more RAM options like 6GB and 8GB, and RAM management has been a problem on the Pixel series. Both phones don't come with a microSD slot either. However, OnePlus 6T is offering a higher storage option at 256GB. Pixel 3 XL is limited to 128GB. Also keep in mind that the Pixel 3 XL has IP68 water and dust resistant rating. OnePlus 6T is not touting any rating as such. Now the OnePlus 6T also has an edge in terms of battery size. This is much bigger at 3700 mAh compared to the 3430 mAh on the Pixel 3 XL. OnePlus 6T also comes with fast charging, which is an advantage, whereas for the Pixel 3 XL you have to buy the fast charger separately, and that's called the Pixel stand. Now another unique feature about the OnePlus 6T is that it has an in-display fingerprint sensor, which is much more convenient and works very accurately. It also comes with face unlock built in. Pixel 3 XL continues with the regular old fingerprint sensor that we've seen on previous phones. So let's talk about the cameras now. OnePlus 6T continues with the dual cameras at the back, which is 16MP plus 20MP. The modifications are more on the software side with the nightscape mode being added. Pixel 3 on the other hand continues with a single 12MP camera at the back. In terms of portrait mode, Pixel 3 XL is still the winner hands down. There's just no competition. Pixel works much better with smaller objects as well, like flowers, whereas you can see the OnePlus 6T struggling a bit. Even with portraits of people, Pixel 3 XL just has a serious edge over the competition. So in good lighting conditions, I would say that the two are very evenly matched, though the Pixel 3 does have a bit of an edge when it comes to preservation of details and color reproduction. It just looks a little bit more natural on the Pixel 3 compared to the OnePlus 6T. But in low light conditions, Pixel 3 XL just has an edge which OnePlus 6T finds it hard to beat even with the nightscape mode. And the fact that the nightscape mode takes an extra 5 or 6 seconds to process is a bit annoying. Also, I felt that some of the pictures looked a bit too bright when I used the nightscape. Also note that we are yet to test out the night sight mode on the Pixel 3 XL. Make no mistake that the OnePlus 6T is still a very capable camera for its price, and it does manage to keep up with the Pixel 3 in some scenarios, which is saying a lot. Also, both cameras manage to capture good photos which are bright even in low light conditions, and that's what users really want at the end of the day. So which is the right phone to pick? Now Pixel 3 is for those who don't mind paying a premium and want a camera that's superb on all fronts. OnePlus 6T though is much more affordable, packs a lot of features and has a camera that won't disappoint users.